If you are battling allergies and you are tired of allergy medicine side effects, try quercetin. It's a natural plant pigment which has strong anti-allergy properties. It stabilizes mast cells that release histamine, making it a natural antihistamine. As a matter of fact, it's one of the most powerful natural antihistamines. It's very high in onions, where one medium onion contains about 50 milligrams of quercetin. It's also in apples, especially in their skin, grapes, berries, peppers, kale, broccoli, and radish leaves. So next time your radishes grow nice leaves but don't produce edible roots, you may feel less disappointed knowing about quercetin in them. If you are not sure if it's allergies or a cold, quercetin is still a great choice as it supports immunity and is anti-inflammatory.